Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see by the title, I am coming to you guys with my oral hygiene video today. I decided to just sit down and film my intro, and then we'll make our way to the bathroom so I can go over with you guys what I do. But I was inspired to make this because when I went to go see my orthodontist, I always get like a 5 for my teeth health, and I asked her, I was like, I always get a 5, is that a good thing? Like, what does that mean? And she was like, oh, 5 is the highest you can get. And I'm like, okay, and like, what are you guys basing it off of? And she was like, you know, just the health of your teeth and the cleanliness. And that made me feel really good because I'm just like, that means my new routine is working. So I decided that I wanted to make a dedicated video going over with you guys my oral hygiene routine, especially with me being brace-faced. So I wanted to show you guys what I do to just maintain my teeth health with braces on. I do get my cleaning every 6 months. I have to go have the wires taken off. I go to my dentist, they do my cleaning still. But in between, there are other things that I do to maintain my teeth's health, so that obviously, you know, when you have on braces, you have to really be careful. Now, I'm gonna put a disclaimer. I'm gonna put it on the screen too. I am not a professional. This is just how I've tweaked my oral hygiene to work for me, given the fact that I have braces, and it's worked so far. I promise y'all, I do not have morning breath with this routine, with everything that I've done. And I decided I'm gonna share it with you guys, you know? So if you're somebody who has braces and you want some tips on what I do or what you should do with braces, especially when it comes to the cleanliness of your mouth, or if you just want to know some like things that you can do to help with keeping your mouth fresh throughout the day or not waking up with morning breath, then keep on watching. Let's dive in. Okay, so we have made it to the bathroom. Your girl is unwinding right now. So typically the first thing that I like to do is like water floss, freshen up my breath, especially when I'm getting ready to go lay down. Already showered, because showered before I was filming, so you know. But anyways, for step 1 of my oral hygiene routine is I like to go in with this bad boy right here. Y'all see that? Hydrogen peroxide. So I typically like to gargle with this first before I do anything. Hydrogen peroxide is really good, especially if you want to combat like gingivitis. It also helps with like halitosis. Not saying that I have that, but it helps to like prevent, you know, that coming on. If you have cuts in your mouth, it helps to kill it and prevent it from being infected. There's so many benefits in it. If you don't have mouthwash, you can also use hydrogen peroxide as a substitute for mouthwash. So I like to go in with this first. Nothing crazy. I just squeeze it in the back, gargle, swish it around, spit it out, and then go on to my next step. So let's go ahead and get to that. So once we have completed with the hydrogen peroxide, I usually just go in with it for like 15 to 20 seconds. Typically I'll have my hair pushed back, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put my hair up anyways, because like I said, we're winding down. I don't want my hair in my face when I'm brushing my teeth or washing my face, because it's a nuisance, you know? So yeah, got that. After I do my hydrogen peroxide, we're gonna go in with this bad boy. You could tell it's getting used, then lost the cover. I have to actually get a new one for myself, but y'all first. It still works, so we go ride it till the wheels fall off. I'm gonna fill it up with some water, plug it in, and typically when I'm using my water flosser, I like to really get my gums, because especially with braces, there's gonna be times where your gums are gonna be really sore, especially with the movement of your teeth. Like this last week that I went, they put a heavy wire at the bottom, and oh my gosh, like the pain from that was so excruciating, and my water flosser helped me out significantly. Lifesaver. So I like to go around the gums in between my teeth, especially before I even got put onto the water flosser. I'm not gonna lie, I struggled with flossing. Like, I used to hate to have to go in with the floss. This, listen, game changer. It has made flossing so easy. And not saying you shouldn't use a traditional flosser, but if you're somebody that struggles with just like flossing regularly with the traditional floss, the water flosser will be your best friend. Trust and believe. So I like to go on the outside of my gums in between my teeth. I like to also go inside and go within my the inner corners of my teeth around the gums inside as well, because I feel like a lot of people neglect that part of their mouth. Make sure you get inside there, okay? So let's go ahead and just jump in. I'm gonna show you guys a quick synopsis of what I do for my water flosser. So now that the water flossing is done, this is what we have. And one thing I absolutely love about my water flosser is that with braces, you know, when you eat, the food gets stuck in your teeth. You gotta brush a couple times if you don't have water flosser to just really get that food out. The water flosser literally takes all that out for you. So it's after each meal, I'm going in with my water flosser. So I absolutely love that too. Because I don't want to be brushing my teeth and seeing the food come out in my toothbrush. It's just, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I just don't want to see it, even though I consumed it. But yeah, so once we fully water floss our mouth, then I'm going to go in with the toothbrushing. This is going to be step 3, okay? So with step 3, you can use any toothpaste. My favorite toothpaste to use is this Crest Advanced Radiant Mint toothpaste, or just anything from Crest 3D White collection. I absolutely love. And I like to use an electric toothbrush. I just feel like my teeth are not properly cleaned if I'm not using an electric toothbrush. And I've just been on this electric toothbrush brush kick since I got braces. So this one I got from Target. It was about $9.99. But I absolutely love it. There is one that I want to invest in. I think it's an Oral-B IO, and I think it's like $250. But that's like a big ticket purchase one of these days. I'm gonna get it for myself, but just it's not in the budget right now, you know? So yeah, so let's go ahead and we're gonna slather some toothpaste on, and we are going to brush. So our teeth is now brushed. All right. Once our teeth is brushed, the next step, which is going to be step 4 that I like to go in with, is this tongue scraper. Absolutely love this bad boy right here. This also, I feel like, makes a difference in just your overall freshness of your breath throughout the day, especially with morning breath. Because obviously our tongue is where the most bacteria is like harbored. So this really, you can really go in and really get your tongue freshened up with this bad boy. So that's why I love it. I feel like ever since I incorporated this and the water flosser into my oral hygiene routine, game changer. Okay, so absolutely 10 out of 10 recommend this. And everything that I am talking about will be linked in my Amazon storefront. I created a whole oral hygiene list for you guys to go and shop from. So don't know if I'm gonna insert that because, but pretty much what I did was I stick my tongue out as far as I can, start from the back of my tongue and scrape down. go around a couple each side of my tongue a couple times, and that's it. Nothing crazy, but like I said, incorporating this makes such a big deal of a difference. To step 5. This bad boy right here, TheraBreath. I've really been loving this chamomile mint. This is a new scent that I saw them, or flavor that I saw them introduce a couple months back, and baby, I have not went back to my other flavors since. I also love the pink one and the dazzling mint. It kind of has like this like holographic reflective label on it, but this has had me in a chokehold since it came out, okay? But definitely love TheraBreath. Their mouthwash, top tier. So literally gonna just fill the cap up, not necessarily fill it up, but halfway is good. And we're gonna gargle this. Okay, and that is that. Made it to step 6, which is not honestly mandatory, but I just, you know, you gotta take care of your skin too. But our teeth, clean, ting, and our tongue, clean, fresh. Breath tastes like chamomile mint. And I'm gonna go in with this Lineage lip mask. As you can see, I've been loving this lip mask. Like, I got it a few months back for my birthday from Sephora. Honestly, I feel like anybody should have this in their nightly routine. I even use it in the daytime. It's a night lip mask, but baby, this thing is so good. Absolutely love it. So I like to use this especially before bed because I like when I wake up with soft lips, you know? So I like to incorporate this as well. And yeah, that's that. So that is it for my oral night routine. Nothing crazy. But that's what I do. Like I said, I always get high markings now when I go to the dentist or when I go to see my orthodontist. And my breath stays fresh throughout the day. I also, like I said, morning breath, where, listen, trust me, there's such a thing as not having morning breath. This is what I've been doing to also maintain that and keep up with my fresh breath. I also want to get into oil pulling. I keep having people recommend that to me, but I haven't gotten into that yet. But whenever I do, I will keep y'all posted on that. But I have heard that also offers great benefits as well for your teeth and overall oral health. But other than that, yeah, that's it. So I do have a surprise for you guys if you made it this far. So we're gonna just go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so if you haven't made it to the end of the video, then thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And I wanted to let you guys know what the giveaway was about. So I decided that I wanted to give back to my community and give back to you guys. You guys have been supporting me. So everything that I used in today's video, I will be doing a giveaway. One lucky winner is going to win the water flosser, the mouthwash, the tongue scrubber, the electric toothbrush, the hydrogen peroxide, the toothpaste, everything that I used. I've bought everything already. I'm going to be doing a giveaway and one lucky winner will win the whole kit. I know times are hard right now, especially to get something like a water flosser. It's not a necessity, it's more of a luxury. I wanted to, you know, give back to you guys in any way that I could. So I decided that this was one of the things that I wanted to do. So the requirements to enter the giveaway are gonna be simple. All you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment on the video. It doesn't have to be anything specific, just any comment you want, and then just put hashtag giveaway so I know that you wanna be entered into the giveaway. And I'm gonna give this giveaway 30 days for you to enter. I'm gonna put the date that it's gonna close in the description and the comment section, and I'll also link it here on the screen for you guys as well. And I will announce the winner on a spin the wheel setup So yeah, I'm glad that I'm able to give back to you guys. So like I said, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for just being here. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video, and may the odds be with you. Bye.